Here we are on a big old house over in Knutsford. Just installed a Starlink. So as the overhang on this is around 20 inch, our 18 inch bracket would not do the job. However, customer had an existing comms pole where sits his Sky dish, his FM aerial, his DAB aerial and his normal TV aerial. We've cut the pole in half, well, I'd say about 5 foot off the pole, lowered all the aerials, attached our Starlink to the top of the 2-inch mast, absolutely clear line of sight, nothing in the way. Then come down, wire the long in Cat6 cable, through an existing hole into his utility room, where we then set up 6 deco units to distribute the speeds of 250 megabytes plus all throughout the client's property. This is Aaron, Phil and Andy, Bespoke Internet Solutions.